Hey, what's up, guys? Paul Murphy here. So if you are going to run a business online in the next year or two, you should be running challenges, right? Challenges are crushing right now. I did a challenge last year that did $250,000, right? And but you don't want to learn challenges from me. You don't want to learn challenges from anyone else in the industry except Russell Brunson and Pedro Adao, who Russell Brunson learned from, right? They're running this challenge together and they're running it live. So it's brand new. It's a brand new thing that they're doing, and they're running it in 2 days, and it's completely free, right? So you can sign up for this challenge, and they're going to show you the framework on how to build a challenge, which is like insane. And then, so it's kind of like, it's a bit like Inception, isn't it? Like a dream within a dream. Like it's a challenge to show you how to run a challenge, So it's that kind of thing. But I'll show you the funnel, right? So I'll put the link on the screen. It should be on the bottom left of your screen, and you should be able to find it in either the comments or the description. So it's tripfunnels.com/challenge. And obviously it's completely free, so sign up now. And then on the thank you page, there is an upsell, and it's basically if you want to get a private Q&A with Pedro Adao and Russell Brunson. So I obviously signed up for that because you don't often get that chance, right? This is a real, like, really cool. And then you've got the challenge funnel template, right? The actual template that they're going to give you. So for $97 you get that, but you get also lifetime access to the training, and you get a welcome kit. So you get a t-shirt, a funnel hacker cookbook, and the 30 days book, which I've actually got in there. I've got some of this all there because I always sign up for everything. So I get duplicates, and then I give them to my friends. But the Q&A, this is worth the money, right? So that's the upsell, and then this is the last page here, and then you obviously go through. There's a couple of upsells in there, and you know I actually forgot to save the page, so I haven't got the link. There's a couple of upsells after that, but again, they're all optional, right? But the actual challenge itself is free. So I just wanted to be kind of clear and transparent. It's free. Sign up for it. You'll love it. Now, if you're thinking like, have I got a bonus? Well, I have, and this time I'm going one up on the bonus that I put together for ClickFunnels 2.0. What I'm going to give you is we've got our gold membership. Now, inside our gold membership, I've got a 4-week mastermind, which is our launch hacking secrets. It's a full 4-week course on how to promote affiliate launches, right? And you can use this process to promote challenge secrets, to promote ClickFunnels, all sorts of funky stuff. I've also got 5 magic funnels that actually, these funnels get you traffic on autopilot. And actually, we give you the software that comes with that. It's not actually ClickFunnels, unfortunately, but we give you the software to build the first 2 funnels for free, right? And there's no credit card for that software either. So like it's like you go and build these. You're going to love these. We give you full step-by-step. It's actually, you get a full master account of our Traffic Tube Secrets master account. So we've got 5 magic funnels. So we give you that as well. We got exclusive weekly training and monthly training. So every single week you get training, you get access to the replays. You get to become an affiliate with me if that's something like, once you get to know me and you think, oh, I like Paul's products, you know, you actually get an exclusive license to promote them. And also we've got a 4-day Google ranking challenge. So I show you how to basically create a simple channel, create a simple video in Canva, place it on the front page of Google. It blows everyone's mind and it shows you what's possible, right? So you've got that as well. And then we give you our 24-hour ranking system gold members access course, which has got like 5 or 6 success paths. I even show you how to create a membership, how to create a MIFGI, which is what Russell's teaching at the moment. And then what's the most important thing is that I'm going to give you this bonus stack. So as you go and promote your challenges, you'll be able to use this bonus stack that I created for ClickFunnels 2.0. You'll be able to use it, and it's worth $12,000. So it means that people will sign up through you rather than anyone else because you've got the best bonuses. And we've got people promoting ClickFunnels 2.0 and crushing it. I actually did $125,000 in revenue in 10 days with the ClickFunnels launch just using this, right? So you get access to that as well. So, and we've also got the magic traffic funnel built in ClickFunnels for you as well, in ClickFunnels 2.0. So if you are using ClickFunnels 2.0, we've got that template already pre-built and done for you. And you get all these other bonuses, right? And basically, all you need to do is email me your sign-up receipt, and we'll give you a 30-day free trial, which we don't normally give away. This is a bonus. So you can get access to all these bonuses for free for 30 days. And then if you don't want to continue, you cancel with 1 click anytime within your membership, right? So obviously you get 30 days access, which we don't normally give. And then you can come in here and you can go through all my premium courses for free for 30 days, which is the only way you can do that, right? So yeah, just email me your receipt. I'll put that in the description. support@tripfunnels.com. Email my team. And yeah, we'll just get you a 30-day link access to this immediately. So yeah, go and sign up for the challenge now. As I say, it's completely free. You've got nothing to lose. And honestly, this is the person to learn from. And when they run it live is always the best experience, because you're going to get to connect with Russell, connect with Pedro Adao, and the whole team at ClickFunnels that have got an amazing team.